Hi there, this afternoon we're going to mount the new Bioguard touchless wall dispenser system onto a wall, and we're just going to go through the kit. Obviously this is what's supplied. I've now removed the instructions and here's the fitting kit, which includes rule plugs, which we won't be using because of the type of wall we're demonstrating on. So here goes. With every kit comes a drip tray to prevent any drips on the floor. And here's the extremely well packaged dispenser itself. Right then, first thing I'll do is mount the actual drip tray to the dispenser by inserting it in at the base, like such, and already there it's done. I'll now use the key provided in the kit to open the dispenser and insert in and open the dispenser. Please note, once you open the dispenser, there's 4 mounting points, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this here is the battery compartment. Right then, with the dispenser now open and ready to fit, I'll measure and mark the wall so that I can mount the dispenser. Right, I've marked the wall. I marked the wall at 1.43 from the floor, and the reason for doing that is so that when you come to refill the dispenser, you're not struggling for height. Right, one dispenser, one screw, one mark, and here we go. Now that it's provisionally mounted, we'll check the dispenser to ensure we have it level. Thank you. That's fine. Right, the mounter is now physically mounted on the wall. I'll open the battery compartment. I'll now install 4 times C-type batteries. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and replace the battery cover. Red light. Close the unit, and hey presto, one Bioguard touchless wall dispenser system ready to go.